Welcome to my page. I have another exciting video to share with you. Let's dive into the video.
Why respect matters more to men than love. Listen very carefully and save your marriages. I want to whisper a secret into the ears of the women, a truth that many young ones have buried under the soil of modern confusion. The drum that is praised beats louder. You wonder why your man's heart seems like a locked gate. It is because you are trying to open it with the key of love, but the lock was made for the key of respect. To a man, love without respect is like a soup without salt. It has no taste and it cannot nourish the soul. These are the reasons why respect is more important to men than love. Pay full attention. Number one, men interpret respect as love. A horse does not gallop for the one who whips it, but for the one who feeds it oats and strokes its mane. To a woman, love is a hug, a flower, a kind word. But to a man, if you do not respect his chair, he does not believe you love his person. When you honor his word and value his place, his heart opens like a flower in the morning sun. If you claim to love him but trample on his dignity, you are like a person trying to put out a fire with kerosene. Number two, public honor strengthens a man's confidence. The crown of a king is polished by the hands of his queen before he steps into the marketplace. When a woman honors her husband in the presence of others, she is putting armor on his chest. The world is a harsh place. It bites and it bruises. But if a man knows that his home is a palace where he is king, he can face 1,000 lions and not flinch. Your public "yes, my husband" is a shield that protects him from the arrows of the world. Number three, disrespect kills emotional intimacy. Water and oil may stay in the same pot, but they will never dance together. A man will not pour his heart out to a woman who mocks his dreams. You will live in the same house, sleep on the same mat, but you will be strangers. Disrespect is the frost that kills the green leaves of intimacy. Number four, respect builds a man's identity. A man is like a tall tree. If you hack at the roots with the axe of insults, the tree will eventually fall. A man's strength is tied to how he is perceived by the woman he has chosen. When you respect him, you are telling him who he is. You are the mirror he looks into to see his own greatness. If the mirror is cracked and dirty with mockery, he will begin to see himself as a failure. And a man who feels like a failure cannot lead a home. Number five, admiration motivates men to provide. I hope you are still with me. The hunter who is told he is a marksman will bring home the biggest antelope. Do you want a man who walks until his bones ache to provide for you? Then show him that you admire his sweat. When a man feels respected, he feels powerful. And a powerful man wants to use that power to protect and provide for his source of respect. If you criticize his small harvest today, he may lose the heart to go back to the farm tomorrow. My daughters, respect is not about being a slave. It is about being a builder. A wise woman knows that by lifting her husband up, she is actually creating a higher throne for herself to sit upon.
Wow, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow, like, and share. See you in the next one. Bye.